Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the audio problem on After Effects where you preview a video and there's no audio. So what you're going to need to do is go to Edit, Preferences, General, and then you're going to want to go to Hardware, Audio Hardware, boom, and then mine on my computer was set to a different one of these, and I went through all of these and tested. It was this one, that one I needed. That's the one that goes to my headphones, so I clicked OK, and then for some reason I lost the preview buttons right here. I didn't know how to get those, so I went to Window, click Workspace, and then click Essential Graphics right here, boom, and that should bring this menu up. Guys, I like to get straight to the tutorial and not waste your time. If this video helped out, like and subscribe. Also, if you guys have any suggestions on tutorials you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, later.